On the left side is my smartphone, as you can see me using it, and the other screen you can see is my laptop screen. Now if you like what you see and you want to learn how to mirror your iPhone to your Windows laptop, then you should watch this tutorial video. It will be helpful to you if you have online classes, or you want to see what you look like when you're recording or filming a YouTube video with your back camera. And of course, you know that back camera is always the better side of your camera to use when you're filming a YouTube video. So watch this video and you'll learn how to mirror your iPhone to your Windows laptop. Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are already a subscriber, this is Enewerume Content Queen. Thank you for supporting me, thank you for growing with me. And if this is your first time on my channel, hey guys, it is so nice to meet you. I'm so excited to see you here. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to mirror your iPhone screen to your Windows laptop or your Windows desktop, right? So this is really helpful to you if you want to see yourself, like see what you look like when you're filming a YouTube tutorial video, or if you want to share your screen in a class and probably what you want to share rather is in your phone. Okay, so let's get started. So the software I use to do this is called ApowerMirror, and you can get the link in the description box. Just click on it and you will see several options to download. You see for iPhone, you see for your Mac, you see for Windows, you see for Android, yes, and Apple products too. So just click on it, download it. When you download it, install it in your laptop or your desktop, your phone, or whatever you want to use it for. Install it in your device, and we move to the next point. Once you've installed it in your device, in this case your Windows laptop or desktop, you would see a small icon there, the icon there. Just click on it, let it run, let it open. But then before that, make sure that your device or your laptop is connected to a particular Wi-Fi, and make sure that your smartphone is also connected to that same Wi-Fi. You go to your iPhone screen, you check screen mirroring, and then you see ApowerMirror there. Click on it and it will get connected. Just make sure both your laptop and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once you've clicked on your screen mirroring and you've clicked on the APower link, then automatically you can mirror your iPhone screen. Whatever is on your iPhone screen is what will be showing on your desktop or your PC, your laptop, right? So this is really helpful if you just want to share your screen, you want to see what you look like filming with your back camera. This is really helpful to you. So if you are still watching to this point, it means you find my video helpful, you find it interesting, and I would love for you to subscribe so you can see other interesting and helpful videos that I have for you. Alright, if you also find it helpful enough to share with your friends, you can do just that. Until my next video, bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.